Every single month, millions of Indian middle-class families lock away their hard-earned money into systematic investment plans. We are told a simple story. Just put away 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees every month. Sit back for 20 years and compounding will magically turn you into a crorepathi. But here is the brutal truth nobody at your bank or trading app will tell you. Over 90% of Indian retail investors are making small operational mistakes in their SIP setups. Mistakes that quietly bleed 30 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees out of your final retirement wealth. After spending 20 years working inside financial institutions and fund operations, I've seen exactly where this money leaks out. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest SIP traps in India and how fixing them on your phone today can save you lakhs of rupees. Let's start with the most expensive mistake: investing in regular plans instead of direct plans. When you open your banking app, they almost always default you into a regular plan. What they don't explicitly show you is that regular plans carry a hidden distributor commission, an extra fee of 0.5% to 1.5% every single year. You might think, it's just 1%. What's the big deal? Look at the real math. On a 25,000 rupees monthly SIP over 25 years at 12%, that tiny 1% fee just cost you 90 lakh rupees in lost compounding. The fix? Open your investment app right now. If your fund name doesn't say the word direct, switch it. The second mistake is treating your SIP like a fixed loan payment. Most people start a 10,000 rupee SIP at age 25 and keep paying that exact same 10,000 rupees at age 35. Meanwhile, your salary grew. By keeping your SIP flat, inflation slowly eats away your wealth. Look at the difference. By simply using the step-up feature to increase your SIP by just 10% every year as your salary grows, you more than double your total wealth creation from 99 lakhs to over 2.3 crores. Mistake number 3, panic pausing during market crashes. When the stock market drops 20%, human emotion screams, stop the loss, pause the SIP. Thousands of investors cancel their auto debits the moment news channels report a crash. This completely destroys your profits. When the market crashes, fund prices drop, meaning your 10,000 rupees buys more fund units at a massive discount. Stopping your SIP during a crash is like running out of a store right when everything goes on a 50% discount sale. Mistake number 4, the dividend illusion, the IDCW trap. When setting up your SIP, your app will ask you to choose between 2 options, growth or IDCW, which stands for income distribution cum capital withdrawal. Most beginners pick IDCW because they think dividend means free extra income. Wrong! Mutual fund dividends are not extra profits. Think of it like cutting a slice off your own birthday cake and handing it back to yourself. If your fund is worth 100 rupees and it pays a 5 rupee dividend, your fund value instantly drops to 95 rupees. You didn't make new money, you just forced your investment to sell a piece of itself. Worse yet, that payout gets added to your income and taxed at your personal income tax bracket, up to 30% plus. By taking cash out along the way, you break compounding. Unless you are retired and need monthly income, always select the growth option so your money stays invested and multiplies automatically. Mistake number 5 is over-diversification. Buying 10 or 15 different mutual funds doesn't give you extra safety. Most equity funds invest in the exact same top Indian stocks. Holding more than 3 to 4 well-chosen funds just creates overlap and dilutes your returns. Do this quick check on your phone today. 1. Make sure your funds say direct, not regular. 2. Turn on a 10% annual step-up. 3. Never stop SIPs during a market crash. 4. Select growth, not IDCW. 5. Cap your portfolio at 3 to 4 funds max. Hit subscribe for more institutional finance secrets and comment below. Which of these 5 mistakes were you making?